When doing a Brickwebb project, you will likely come across some obstacles that you will need to cut around, such as outlets, thermostats, windows, air vents, etc. You'll also need to cut bricks at the edge of your wall or floors. You can easily cut your thin bricks using a handheld tile cutter. First, hold up your Brickwebb to the item that needs to be cut around. Identify which bricks and how many will need to be cut in order to work around the obstacle. Make a mark in pencil on the bricks where they will need to be cut. If bricks in the center of the Brickwebb sheet will need to be cut, remove the affected bricks and cut out the webbing with a box cutter or other sharp knife. Cut the brick where you marked it. Be sure to wear safety goggles while cutting brick. When cutting a sheet of bricks for an edge, cut right through the webbing with the bricks still attached. Install the whole bricks around the item first. Then, take your cut bricks and apply your adhesive to the back of the partial bricks and place it in the space left.